What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally, Friday, because today is the very best day of the week, because today is Snap-on Friday. And there he is. Y'all see he's in the shop because he had a little trouble today, but we got him all fixed up. So let's take a look and see what Hamilton's got on the truck. You guys, come on. I showed everybody your phone number and told them to call you at 3 in the morning.
They can. We're going to post it on social media for them.
Ooh, look at them.
My wife pointed out to me after I got home Friday.
Man, that's cool looking. It's about time y'all get some of them cool looking 100th anniversary stuff.
That's pretty neat, ain't it?
Yeah.
I got a bar stool also, but I got to put it together. I was going to have it on here today, but I run out of time.
Dadgum, Hamilton. You know we need another bar stool for our tiki bar over there.
It's pretty neat. I know that's why I was like, I ain't got to get that done, but I couldn't have time to get it done before I left.
Yeah, them sharp right there.
Yeah, some of the 100th anniversary ones. We got a, what I do in my book? What's I put in here?
I love that new logo.
Yeah, that looks good. I said I put it in here, I might not have. Oh, there it is, that's all. Bunch of stuff for the 100th anniversary stuff on it. There's these.
Yeah.
Jackets, pullover.
That t-shirt's cool right there.
Yeah.
I like the logo on the back a lot better than I do on the front.
Yep. Bunch of Zippos. Pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the coolest one of all of them. To me, it is.
Yeah. Money clip. But see, if you got a Snap-on dealer, you ain't never got no money to put in it. That's the problem.
Don't be lying, we'll be running cards.
But you ain't got no money in the bank to pull out to put on them cards.
There's the bar store here.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
I like them hoodies right there.
Yep.
That other bar stool. Or is that's table?
That's a table, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, them look good right there too.
Mm-hmm.
$40 ain't bad on
No.
hoodie.
You gonna get any of them in?
I think I went in and ordered some of them.
That's a sharp cap.
Yeah.
Boy, Snap-on knows how to market some stuff, don't they? Golly, that was bad too.
Yeah,
that's raised up.
And get the key tag.
Mm-hmm.
That one's pretty neat.
Son, you know you've made it in business when people pay money for crap just because your logo's on it.
This hat's pretty neat. Got 1920 on one side and 2020 on the other.
Yeah. Yeah, you know you've made it when people pay money just to have your name on their stuff.
Yeah, that's when I guess you're doing good then, ain't you?
That's right. So enough.
That's why I sell these decimated hats running around town everywhere.
That's because they're free.
Here, come get your oil change.
They get them for free.
Get a free cap with oil
Everybody
change.
wants Bill's signature on there. They
Hey.
always come here and want a hat with Bill's signature on.
Come on down. I'll,
That's that big chested lady stopped at the store today. Want to know where SOB was working at, how to get the address to her. I give it to her.
Uh-oh.
Tell them where he is at.
There you go, Bill.
SOB.
Well, did Bill tell you what he's looking at doing?
With the box.
Yeah.
It was in here. I was trying to get some numbers worked up and see what we can do.
Mm-hmm. So you ought to put us a package deal together.
We could probably work something out on, I'm sure.
It'd be 3 lockers at one time. You can see them right there.
Yeah. We right now I got a locker and a top going out to one guy. I got a work center and a locker going out to a guy. And another guy, he's debating right now if he wants to do 2 lockers on his. He has a 68-inch Epic, but he don't know if he wants to do the top box or a work center. But he does know he wants the 2 lockers.
Mm-hmm.
So he just went in and ordered the 2 lockers for right now.
Gonna have to figure out what he's gonna put between them.
Yeah, he don't know what he's gonna put in. He already has a stainless top, so
Yeah.
they told me if you get the top box, you gotta take the stainless top off. So I don't know what he's gonna do.
Well.
Right now, it's just gonna be up, down, and back up, I guess.
There you go. Well, it's a good time to buy it with the sales I got.
Yeah. Got some good deals on them right now. So
Yeah, that's right. That guy ever get back with you on that other one?
on yours,
Quote? Yeah.
yeah, I got it. I pulled it out over here.
How, is it bad? Oh man, you know it's bad when the Snap-on dealer starts laughing. Like when he looks at you and just laughs, you know it's a bad price.
Depends on who you talking about. You talking about his end or your end?
It's got to be bad on my end, and it ain't costing him nothing.
Got the 84-inch light epic with blue trim, and the top box also 84-inch epic white with blue trim. Looking around about $19,500
For the top and bottom,
for the top and bottom.
what's it going to cost to do the lockers?
Probably another $35 or so, I imagine,
Per side? Or?
per side.
And Bill, what'd you do, Bill?
Bill's got a kink in his neck. He got
Salty.
So be looking about 26.
Yeah, probably so, somewhere around there. Be a big old box. Be a big old box.
Be a big old payment.
Yeah. Well, let me get a picture so the folks on what we're talking about.
$2,600 ain't too bad on that plate.
26. Clay says, let me
I'll
go to
take
the
it.
truck. I'm getting cash.
Now.
Clay's looking at the box. This is the silver, but he's wanting white with the blue trim, of course. Something like, well, that's epic. That's a Mr. Big. Mr. Big. I won't get off.
They don't even advertise in little boxes no more, do they? Just the bigger.
I saw that whole setup to one guy, but the locker's on the other side. Well, then you got the Clay used to be pretty much like this, but with another locker on the other side. What are we looking
Top
at?
box.
Yeah, except with a top box.
All for $34 a week.
With a top box like this.
At least.
I ain't looking at 82 inch will be the big one. I ain't be the 68. Then later on we'll go back and add some top hutches to it.
That doesn't have like a super epic by the time that box is packed. It'd be like the epic would be discontinued.
Or they'll
Like
change,
epic, son, we ain't made them 10 years.
36 inches deep and
they'll change the paint colors on it just a little bit to where it'll be off.
we don't have pure white no more.
Yeah,
pearl
pearl
now.
now. Say, put a little pearl in that.
Little pearl.
It won't match nothing.
Yeah, that's Pearl. My father-in-law was a body man. He's a painter. He says that's the worst one. He hates painting off any of them because it ain't just one coat. You got like 3 or 4 coats. So they say, yeah, he hates the damn Pearl.
Whatever pays.
Yeah.
That's like me and Bill did body work this week. I don't know if you knew that or not.
I heard something about that at lunch.
Turned out good, didn't it, Bill?
Mm.
What kind of body work y'all doing?
Oh man, we fixed the fender.
Fix the fender?
Nissan Benza, it was all crunched in. We fixed it.
Somebody moved the garbage can of the car.
Sure did.
The unconventional way?
They
Yeah.
took out the garbage with the car, and me and Bill fixed it. I'll put some pictures up here, some before and after, and that way, if you guys need some budget body work done, bring it to
Budget
diesel
body
medic work. Diesel medic, yeah. Budget
I have
body.
the sign I hear them say diesel medic, car medic, body medic.
That's it. Bill does it all. If they knew what we worked on the inside of that fender with, they probably wouldn't be. Well, it was this right here. Right there. That's what we did the body work with. But it turned out good, didn't it, Bill? With a snap-on, soft face, dead blow hammer.
There you go.
And it worked.
Got more than
She
one
was
use out
happy.
of it.
She said, look, it ain't got to be perfect. I just don't want it to look terrible because we're trading a car in Saturday. Try to get this big old dent out. And when I come back, that lady, when she come to pay me that evening, her grin was from ear to ear. She said, you can't even tell it. I said, oh, yeah, you can tell it. She got down there and she was looking at it. She said, oh, that looks good. She said, I thought y'all was just mechanics. I said, we are.
Don't even want to work on gas burners, but we do anyway.
That's it. We'll do it. Whatever pays the bills.
Yeah.
Well, you got anything new besides the beanies?
Now that's what I was showing Bill a while ago. Haven't got a single box in all week this week, and then I got 6 of them pop off my email coming in today.
Uh-oh. Big
So
bunch of goodies, huh?
Another brutes is coming in. More of them. We got a new 3/4 inch impact coming out.
3/4.
I got 2 of them. No.
Battery?
Wow.
Brushless?
Brushless.
Snap on stepping up the game.
Yeah.
And look what it got on sale behind it. Something we were discussing earlier this morning, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the e-torque.
You
The
got it.
inverter torque.
How much is that say? $12?
A week.
You can't pull nothing on a snap-on guy now. Nothing.
They
A week for 2 years.
yeah, they list for $240, but I got them on sale on promo right now for $200.
Good Lord.
Yeah. But
We don't need but an E16.
I can see just that one. I was trying to see if I had one up here just so we could. I'll open this up so I can see.
Man.
What y'all working on with these?
A Dodge 4500 front end.
Oh, dang. Make it a big one. So, in case you don't want to know what the E-torque is, I'm sure everybody does though. This is inverter torques instead of your regular torques. Or this is Torques Plus. That one is, but here's the E-torques.
Let's see. Something nice and sexy somebody had to invent where you got to buy more tools.
Yeah, we love them people.
Yeah.
They're my buddies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I love them people.
Well, I know everybody's going to ask, where's Wally? Where's Wally? Wally went home sick today. He come in this morning, and he wasn't feeling sporty, so he had to go home.
Somebody will still comment, where's Wally?
Yep.
I guarantee.
Insert comment here, where's Wally? That's it.
Or Cooter will comment first.
First.
Before he even watches the video.
Cooter is always number one.
He does get in there pretty quick.
He's number one.
Is that the trick? Go straight to the
Go
comments.
straight to the comments. Don't even watch the video.
Hey, whatever works, right?
I love watching. I look for Cooter's comment every time. And somebody else like, I beat Cooter to it, and Cooter, no, I was 13
Nope,
seconds
I was
faster
13
than you.
I was 6.3 seconds faster, buddy.
Yeah.
Cooter is awesome. I got to meet him in person. He's a great
Oh,
guy.
really? Where's he
Yeah.
from?
Montgomery, Alabama.
I ain't too far away. Then.
Me and him went down there and hung out one night, got to eat supper, and we went to Harbor Freight and looked at the Icon box.
They have the big one down
Yeah,
there.
they had a big
How much was it?
one.
Yeah. Somebody else.
It ain't much different than a snap-on box.
Yeah, somebody else told me that they seen the new Icon box, the big one.
Mm-hmm.
They said the one that
I think
Harbor
they got
Freight
the
was.
bottom box on sale for like $4,900 right now.
Yeah, I think somebody said the big one was like close to 20,000 with the top box and the side cabinets and everything on it.
And that box you just quoted me was what, 26,000?
Yeah.
That's with a top box and 2 lockers.
Yeah.
So I ain't the smartest fella in the world, guys, but man, there ain't a whole lot of money difference. And I know which one's gonna resell for more.
Yeah.
Like you could probably get 5,000 out of the Snap-on in 2 years. The Icon, you're gonna be looking at about 1,000. So you guys do the math on that, you know. Because I figure Snap-on stuff's worth about 20% of whatever you pay for it.
20 cents on the
Yeah,
dollar.
when you walk out of that door, that's it. She's done. Wore out.
Like a new car. Pull the leave out on Saturday morning, come back at lunch.
Yeah.
Like the color I want. We add
Bill was thinking about trading his in on the Icon box, and he said, man, I probably wouldn't get $600 trading on this box. I rolled it across the shop floor. That warranty went out then. Exceeded my mileage warranty.
Rock conditions in the tire, yep. Yeah, warranty voided.
That's it. Oh, me.
Bill said, he started laughing, then he quit all of a sudden. He said,
he's
that
like,
ain't even funny.
That ain't funny. I do have a rock. I do have dust on my wheels. Bill's going to put some spinners on his box.
Put some spinners on it.
That way he can roll it and stop it, and they'll keep looking like they're moving.
Bling bling.
Said 18 is going to be 8s.
Yeah. 6s. I think it's
Sixes.
6-inch casters, yeah. Bill rolling on some 6s.
I seen they talking about bigger wheels on one. I seen the box the other day. It was online on, I don't know where I was looking at it, but they had some huge. I bet there was 10 or 12 inch casters on there. The guy put it on it.
Hey,
He was in a
He may be wanting to come to work here so he can roll it across some ski jumps. So
like
you got to have one or two things. You either got to have airbags or big tires or a run and go. That's your three options here.
on the side by side Jeep, they got the rock guards. You got floor guards here.
Hey, ask Andrew. He tried to ride a skateboard across that one day.
It
didn't work out. It didn't work out too well.
You got to be good riding a skateboard on this floor.
Yeah.
I know pulling the snap-on truck in here, you got to ease off into it. You got to pick stuff up out the floor.
That one's bad. Showed up. Well,
That's funny.
You get my extension in?
What
The little 1/4-inch one? Or my pouch?
no, I know the pouch will be here today. Let me look up here.
Bill? You
Yes,
gonna side locker it?
I don't know. Depends on how bad he tries to hurt my feelings.
Uh-oh. Think he'll be as bad to you as he was to me?
No, I doubt it.
You think Bill's gonna be a little bit lower than what yours was?
I would hope it is.
It'll probably be in, I'm sure, one of them 6 boxes we get in a day.
Alright.
Hopefully he ain't got no broken mugs in them 6 boxes.
I don't think they're on that list that's coming in.
Loads. You got lots of trade-ins up here?
No, I'm gonna tell y'all, but this box and this box, everybody knows I run a huge area. We run probably right around about 900 miles a week. But Russellville, Alabama, I run over there too. Had a guy call me the other day, 2 weeks ago this past month, or a week ago this past Monday, said that wanted to know if I'd warranty a couple sockets for him. I said, sure, ain't no problem. I said, you gotta come to me though, you know. I mean, I ain't gonna go out of my way, but I'd warranty anything you got. He's like, well, it's gonna be a little bit different situation. He said, I'll bring them to you. I said, okay, ain't no problem, you know. 2 guys get out of the truck, as in the like King Ranch F-150 or something, I don't know, but anyway, both of them had a box of toes. I was like, son of a gun, this is another one of them guys, you know. But now they come on the truck. Then both of them fairly young dudes, probably around about 30, 32 or so. They set them down. They said, you mind warranting all these? I said, well, I'm going to warranty them, but I'm not going to give you my last socket in case one of my guys needs it, you know.
Right.
They said, what we're going to do, we're going to leave them with you, and you just warranty them out. We'll come back and get them in a couple weeks. I said, that'd work for me. I said, I said, how y'all get so many of them? I said, well, what the story is, I said, their dealer won't warranty them because they didn't buy them from him.
That's some bull crap right there.
It is. It's bull crap. And but I mean, you hear about that sometimes. And that's what I told myself. I warranty them for it. Like I said, I'm just not gonna give you my last socket in case one of my guys needs it. But
If I had a dealer tell me that, I'd step off his truck
That's
and I wouldn't
exactly
get back
what
on
I'd
it.
do. I'd be like, I ain't messing with your lame ass no more.
Nope.
I think they said they're driving about 30 minutes to come and meet me. And that's what I told them. I said, you come on my truck, I mean, I can sell you anything on my truck. I can't finance it for you because you're not my guy. But so I think that's what they're going to start doing is driving to me.
See, that's customer service.
That's it.
That's
Just
why you
call-
win every time.
Yep. Just warranting their sockets for them.
You're
That
not-
their guy wouldn't warranty.
You're not
'Cause they didn't buy it
leaving
from them.
You're not leaving your area.
No, not was.
I mean,
Hey, that's his own dealer's fault the way I look at it.
It is. I mean,
You know,
that's,
and in
That's
fact,
kind of like the Ford place here going, no, we're not going to warranty the work on this vehicle because you didn't buy it here.
yeah.
Well, sir, I live in Illinois. I can't help that.
Yep.
You know, that's some bull crap. Right
That is a bull crap. But
You know, I can understand, like, if it was your granddaddy's socket, that's one thing. But when you buy it and you ain't dead yet, they should warranty it.
in
some
fact,
of these are a
somebody,
little
And
bit
if you're
older, but
dead,
they-
it don't matter if they warranty it or not. You don't need it.
yeah. I mean, some of these are a little bit older. Like, I doubt either one of them bought this one right here brand new.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it don't matter. We don't
That's
fix
all.
it for them anyway, though. It ain't that big of a deal.
I saw
That shows
last
you how
week somebody
stand-up of a guy
commented-
you are.
somebody commented last week on if somebody's got cash money, can they step on the truck and buy something? Well, some dealers will do it, some won't.
I know if I was a dealer and they had them greenbacks, come in, let me help you find a coat or whatever you need.
Yeah, I can't remember the fellow's name, but he was a truck driver. He called me. He was in Kentucky or something like that, and he had to go to, I think he was going to Montgomery to drop a load off, but he said he's going to swing through down 45 through Mississippi so he can come and get on the truck. He said watch his videos every week. This has probably been 2 months
Get him
ago
to
now.
bring him big old,
And-
like a big old wad that big of
Yeah.
cash with him.
Well, he ended up buying like there was 2 or 3 coats what he bought. He went inside to the store and ATM and got the cash out. And
Heck yeah.
so, shit, I sell you stuff in my truck. I say anything. You know?
You sell them a whole truck, won't you?
Yeah. Y'all talking, we're talking about some
You
old
can call
sockets.
me,
So.
we'll load up a trailer and we'll come get you. You know, if they decide they want to buy the whole truck,
Yeah.
kick the boodle. It don't matter if it's 2 in the morning, I'll come get you. I won't even get mad at you for calling me.
I figured there'd been a pair of Nikes in there. Dadgummit.
I got Nikes.
Leave some old ones right here now.
We got the script right now.
I just barely see it over here.
You look at them sockets right there.
I got a set of sockets like him.
Mm-hmm.
Sure do, and they still working today.
And some of them, that's not the old ones too. Some of these are some oddball sizes that you wouldn't. A 1932 12 point.
Yep.
Obviously, they ain't been used very much. They had to buy it in the set, but
I don't know many 1930 seconds.
I don't even want a 1932 6 point. I don't know what I'd be.
Yep.
Some engineer somewhere out there said, well, let's throw in this bolt in here and
Oh
make
yeah,
them
I'm
at the
sure there's
socket.
something that you got to have it for, but.
So how many more brutes did you order?
Well, we've got 8 coming in right now. They're all yellow and green. The red, I got some more red coming, but the ones I'm getting today will be yellow and green though.
I about made up my mind I'm gonna get one.
Don't get one.
They'll probably come out with like the long neck the week after I get it.
Well, you need both.
And it'll be on sale for 1 week only.
Oh, that long neck is an awesome son of a gun, ain't it, Bill?
Yep.
Yeah, we got a.
I love it. When you gonna get one of the brushless CT761s?
They're not out in our area yet.
When they
Are
gonna
you
do
talking
that?
about the CT761? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Or
when they're
whatever
coming
their
to
new
them.
number is for it. When they
It'd be
gonna do
probably 861, but I don't know when they're gonna be, when they're even doing them. Let me see if the system will be in the number in the
Man,
system.
I want one of them bad boys. Because I've tried every 3/8 impact that there is, I reckon, known to man, including some off-the-wall brands.
Yeah.
And I always go back to the CT761.
The first on the 14.4, I know the screw gun is supposed to be a CTS 861 instead of a CTS 761. We'll have it hopefully within the next couple of weeks, and then the CTPP 761, which is the little polisher gun.
Yeah.
They're gonna be brushless, and I'm supposed to be getting them here in the next couple of weeks.
Will it hold up more than 5 minutes?
I would hope so.
If it'll hold up 30 minutes, I'll be like, I'll take one.
Yeah, they look a little bit different from the ones I seen at the tool show and stuff, but they're supposed to be. I think that's heard week 11 or week 12, and we're in week 9 right now. So here in the next few weeks, we'll be getting them.
Well, I'll be glad when they come out with a little 3/8 gun, because
Yeah, I haven't heard a date or anything.
I want to try
on
one
that.
of them. Because I'm a fan of them now. I love them. Man,
I-
I love them little guns.
You know, you can be getting all the Milwaukee comments now.
I don't care. Look, I gave you one of the Milwaukees because of that. Like I hear, I'm still a fan of the CT761. I just like them.
For the size and power, it's hard to beat it.
You know, some people like Adidas shoes. Some people like tennis shoes. Not any of us, but some people like tennis shoes. You know.
So I wear all the time. Like
Yeah, Wally's
paint my
not
house
here.
last night, I got paint over mine.
Wally's not here today. He can't show off his Skechers or whatever kind of floor burners he's wearing.
It'd be one of them kind on there.
So I just like the CT761. As long as y'all make them, I'm gonna have one.
Yeah,
And if y'all got a brushless, I want to upgrade.
I got a.
I got one that's kind of smelling like it's got popcorn cooking inside it, so
Uh-oh.
it's probably getting close.
You got one of the quick change CT761s?
I've got the ones, yeah, that's the one I got like that,
Yeah.
without the clutch on it. It's just all she's got.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one right there. And then of course everybody loves this.
Yeah.
CT760.
Like I
Or
never
most
thought
people,
I'd
not
use the
everybody.
1/4-inch impact as much as I do, but when we're working on cars,
Yep.
that's what I grab. I love it.
A lot of guys get this and just put the 1/4-inch chuck in it.
Mm-hmm.
But still, for the body on this is still a pretty good bit bigger than what the 1/4-inch
Yeah, the 1/4
CT725s. He's some bad little dudes on.
If Snap-on ever does away with this trigger, they can hang the cordless game up. Like, they might as well stick a fork in their own ass because they are done. Because that right there is what sells that gun. No doubt. It's small and it's thin, but the trigger, that's what keeps that going.
I got one guy that traded his in a while back because he said he don't like the trigger. He likes the fact he can swap it back and forth.
Huh.
And I was like,
you should have said, hey, I got a guy that's got a Milwaukee. He'll trade with you if you like it.
I was like, shoot, I wish that they'd make the 18 volt like with the rock.
I love
trigger
the
on
rocker
there.
switch.
Yeah.
And I'm proud that Snap-on didn't do that goofy paddle like Milwaukee did.
Oh yeah.
Like, the button is way better, in my opinion, than the paddle. Because that way you don't hit it on crap. So, Snap-on will probably do away with the trigger on the next generation. And then I'll be cussing them. I'm telling you up front, I'm going to cuss them when it happens. And if they do away with that 14.4 battery, every dealer, y'all better watch out. Because something's burning at y'all's place that night. Somebody. And it ain't just you that's going to get it. It's going to be every Snap-on dealer. They're going to be calling Snap-on, hey, what's our insurance?
You need to double that.
Snap-on's going to be like, I don't understand. There's been 600 Snap-on trucks burned tonight. Last night. You know there's going to be a lot of people that say
Oh, there'd be a bunch of people mad over that for sure.
Yep. Maybe they'll keep the battery and they'll keep the trigger.
Yeah, but they don't be around for a while.
Well, I guess, Bill, you think we're going to have to have them?
Eventually, one of us will.
Does that come free with a toolbox?
We can probably make that
What
happen
about a
for
locker?
sure.
Bill, you need a locker. Alright, guys, I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to talk to Hamilton about some toolbox upgrades.
They'd be a little bit taller.
Like always, guys, check the links down in the description. We got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And click that subscribe button right down there because it's totally free. You guys have a great weekend, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.